like doing that foam roller was painful, you know, to me that's a sign that we need to kind of have you just do little bits of it here and there and just kind of retrain and reopen things up for you. How's this feel?
Good.
Okay. Little traction going. Loosen this low back up before we adjust it, okay? Actually moves pretty good. So you may be a little sore, okay, after your first visit. It shouldn't become painful. If it does, you really need to let me know, okay? That's tight right in there.
Yeah. It's horrible.
Is that where you get a lot of it at?
Yeah.
Yeah, I can really feel that. I'm trying to stretch you. If I take you like this, you feel that right in there?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, take a big breath in. And blow it all out. Relax that arm. Good. How'd that one feel?
Painful.
Whoa.
So tight.
Yeah, this one's gonna be. Take a big breath and let it all out. Good. That was good. Good,
Yeah.
good. How'd that feel, that one?
Better.
Okay. So let's do this low back, okay, and get your hips evened out. Lay on your right side for me, Robin. There you go. Right there. Right here. Okay, there you go. Take a big breath in. And just be nice and relaxed there. Okay. You okay? On your there. This one's going to be a little more of a roll towards me. Take a big breath in and let it out. Good. Good. So I'm going to give you a big hug like this. You just be dead heavy, relaxed weight, okay? Let me do all the lifting. And you're going to roll here. And lift your head up this way. And take a big breath in for me and let it all out. Good. You okay with that one?
Yeah.
Okay, one more. And let it out. Good. Okay. There. Okay, nice and relaxed there. Okay. There. One more. There you go. Good.
That was good.
Yeah, great.
Yeah.
Great. How's that feeling there, Robin?
Good.
Okay. Well, that's your first visit there. Let me hold on before you get up. That looks really good. Okay. Go ahead and turn on your stomach for me one more time. Take a look at you here. So that leg length looks good. Okay. Yeah, that looks really good.